Welcome to our guide on setting up a groundnut primary processing services business. In this video, we'll learn how much you can earn from this business. We will also break down the initial investment required, which falls into two categories: fixed capital and working capital. First, let's talk about earnings from the business. In a best case scenario, you might earn between 60,000 to 1,15,000 rupees every season. And it gets better. By the end of the first year, you could be earning between 1,15,000 to 1,60,000 rupees per season. This is your actual profit, after paying all expenses, loans, and taxes. By the end of the second or third year, you could be earning between 1,60,000 to 1,70,000 rupees every season. That's the potential success of investing 2,70,000 rupees in your business. Next, let's discuss fixed capital, amounting to 2,70,000 rupees. This includes investment in long-term assets such as machinery and equipment. We're talking about purchasing machines, agricultural equipment, or any infrastructure that can be used to provide services to farmers in a local or regional community. Also included in fixed capital are expenses like insurance, licenses, and permits. When starting a groundnut primary processing services business with a capacity of 250 bags daily, you'll need these types of machinery. For processing groundnut primary processing, you will need groundnut decorticator machine with J. Hallery. A groundnut decorticator machine is a device used to remove the outer shell or husk. This machine also takes care of cleaning, sorting, grading. Aim for a machine with a capacity of 250 bags per day, costing around 1,60,000 rupees. Next, we have no working capital this machine. So, the total capital investment for your groundnut primary processing services business stands at 2,70,000 rupees. This gives you a clear financial roadmap for your business. Understanding where to source this capital is as important as knowing how much you need. Fixed capital and working capital have different roles, hence, their sources should be distinct. Fixed capital is invested in assets that stay in your business for a long time, like equipment and machinery. It's called fixed because it doesn't convert to cash quickly. For raising fixed capital, consider long-term, patient sources that don't require immediate repayment, like personal savings, help from friends and family, partnerships, or reinvesting profits. With this financial planning strategy, you're well on your way to establishing a successful groundnut primary processing services business. Note, in this business, you can get high profits if you buy working capital, process and pack and sell in addition to services. Subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel.